Hi, I'm Debbie West, and I'm bringing you our pets of the month. This month, for December, it's a bonded pair. This is Chai, and that's Moxie. Chai is a really sweet, lovable girl. She's a year old, and Moxie, her good friend over here in the corner, is 4 years old. Moxie's not too sure about us today, and she's really not she's not liking the camera, but otherwise, these are great kitties. They're really sweet. They just want to be loved on. They had been in a home and their owners surrendered them because they moved and didn't have room for them in their new place. They really need a home. They need people to love on them, and they need a place where the two of them can come. They snuggle constantly. And as you can see, like I said, Chai loves neck rubs and little ear scratches. And she's especially fond of treats as long as the dogs aren't barking. And you might notice Moxie has a tipped ear. She was previously a barn cat, but the folks here at the shelter say that she's just too sweet to be outside and to be a barn cat. She needs to be inside and be loved on by a family. So come down to the Bowling Green Warren County Humane Society and pick up Chai and Moxie today. And who knows, you might find another little kitty or a bunny or a guinea pig to go along with it.